In this lesson, we are going to solve some practice questions of exercise 1A and question number 6 of book D1. I am Durre and I'm going to give free maths lessons only on my YouTube channel Maths with Durre. So let's take a start. Question number 6. Estimate the value of each of the following. Estimate means what? Estimate means you have to find a nearest value, means a guess, an idea. So you have to, basically, you have to calculate or find a nearest value. Nearest value of what? Of A part says under root or square root 66. So as in the previous lessons, we have understanding of we learned square numbers and some of the cube numbers. So let's revise. 1 square is 1. Square of 2 is 4. Square of 3 is 9. Square of 4 is 16. Square of 5 is 25. Square of 6 is 36. Square of 7 is 49. Square of 8 is 64. Square of 9 is 81. Square of 10 is 100. Okay. Meanwhile, we will revise some cube numbers also. Cube of 1 is 1. 2 cube is 8. Cube of 3 is 27. Cube of 4 is 64. Cube of 5 is 125. Cube of 6 is 216. Cube of 7 is 343. Cube of 8 is 512. Cube of 9 is 729. Cube of 10 is 1000. So basically, this is important. You have to memorize the square numbers and cube numbers. So this is the time which we need to apply in this question. Let me set a space. 1 minute. Okay. Part A says we have to find the nearest value, nearest and square root of 64. Just go and revise and find the nearest number. Which number is the nearest to 66? You can just observe 36 is the smaller than 66, 44, 64 and 81. 81 तो बड़ा हो जाएगा, so we are not going to take this 81. So we will take this 64 because this is the nearest one, right? So you can say that, we can say that that is a sign of estimation. I will put the sign of estimation here and I can say that इसके जो nearest number है वो basically ये बन रहा है. ठीक है? The root will be 8 but after cancellation of this. So answer will be 8. Clear? Okay. Move next. Now we are going to solve part B. Part B is under root 81. अब ये अंडर रूट है, मीन्स स्क्वायर रूट है, तो वी विल गो and find the nearest number in these square numbers. So you can just observe 81 is the nearest one and 61 will be smaller, तो ये तो नहीं लेंगे हम, 64 sorry. And what about 100? ये उससे बड़ा हो जाएगा. So we will go and choose this one. So it means that that is a number. Okay, so this is a sign of estimation. Remember, this is a sign of estimation, right? Okay, instead of 80, I'm going to take a nearest value, which is 81, and 9 square is giving me 81, right? And after cancellation, I can get the value, that is 9. Okay, let's solve part C. Part C is about cube root of 218. And this 3 is telling you that is a cube root. This power is telling you that is a cube root. Remember that, okay? And remember, let me tell you one more thing. Sometimes छोटा सा 2 square root पे कभी कभी given होता है, तब भी कहेंगे that is a square root. But cube root में हमेशा given होता है. Is that okay? Okay, now we have to revise the cube numbers. We just revised that. So find करें. Just find the nearest number. 218 के nearest कौन है? 64? Nops. 125? No. 216? Yes, we can say that 216. So it means that that is the nearest number. Okay? When we multiplied 6 3 times, then we are getting 216, right? Okay, so I'm going to write here the estimated value will be 6 cube, and then we can easily cancel with the power, and the answer or root we are getting is 6. Clear? Okay, last part. Cube root, cube root of 731, 730. So how can we find its value, estimated value? What will be the nearest value? Nearest value 512 will be a smaller one. So we will go and take 729, that is 9 cube, right? So we can say that cube of 730, its estimated or the nearest number will be 9 cube of 9. And after cancellation, we can get the answer 9 here. I hope your concept of estimation involving square root and cube root will be clear now.